Hi there, I'm Tushar Vasne, and today I'm super excited to introduce you a true game changer, the BMC Helix Virtual Agent. Now let's be honest, how many of us have struggled with waiting on hold for an IT support or searching endlessly for an answers to simple problems? It's frustrating, right? Well, those days are over. Let me show you why. Meet the Helix Virtual Agent. Think of it as your smart, friendly colleague who is always there to help day or night, no matter what you need. It's not just about answering a questions, it's about having a real conversation. The virtual agent understands your tone, your urgency, and tailors its response to match your needs. It's like chatting with a human, but faster. The agent transitions seamlessly to a live agent for further assistance. And when you need that extra human touch, the virtual agent has your back. I am not feeling good at my workplace. It understands your fear and the sensitivity of the conversation. It will take you to the live agent connectivity directly without even responding you with any questions or answer or any other jargons. No waiting, no awkward hands off. The live agent jumps in with the full context, ready to help. It's all about making your experience seamless. This isn't just in support, it's an intelligent, efficient, and most importantly, empowering the Helix virtual agent ensure that help is always just a click away. So what do you think? The Helix virtual agent is more than a tool. It's your go-to partner for making work simple, faster, and way less stressful. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Tushar signing off.